Hi everyone, I'm Hardi and welcome to Yum with Mom. In this video, we will see the recipe of wonderful and really tangy quick dish called lemon pies. It is one of those hassle-free recipes which can be put together in exactly 2 minutes. It's one of South India's most popular dishes which is generally made with leftover rice. So let's not waste any time and let's get to cooking. Heat some oil. Once the oil is hot, I'm going to add some mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start spluttering, I'm going to add some split gram dal, some split white lentil, and let them cook for a few seconds. And next I'm going to add some peanuts. Let the lentils and peanuts turn brown a little bit. Once everything is nice and brown, I'm going to add a dry red chilli, some curry leaves, some turmeric powder. It adds the color to the rice. Some salt. And now I'm going to add the boiled rice. And give it a good mix. And to that I'm going to add some lemon juice and give it a mix. The aroma is so good that you're gonna eat the lemon rice just out of the pan. I think it is absolutely perfect. Enjoy!